Following a subpoena from the state, Rich Homie Quan is set to provide testimony in the Young Thug YSL Rico trial. Greetings everyone. Today's video will focus on the involvement of Rich Homie Quan in Young Thug's Rico trial, where he has been summoned to provide testimony. A police statement will be presented in court as evidence. Additionally, Lil Wayne may also testify regarding a shooting incident that occurred in 2015. However, Gunna, who has accepted a plea deal, will not be called to testify. Although initially over 700 witnesses were mentioned, only approximately 200 will actually be called to the stand. It is still possible for Birdman and YFN Lucci to provide testimony. It is important to note that Gunna vehemently denies any involvement in providing information against Young Thug. Now, without further delay, let us begin our discussion. Following a subpoena from the prosecution, Rich Homie Quan has been summoned to provide testimony in Young Thug's ongoing Rico trial. Thugadaily, a social media user, has reported that the prosecution has served Quan with a summons to appear as a witness in the trial. According to the same source, it is stated that Quan has provided a previous police statement that will be presented during the court proceedings. During his testimony, Quan may not necessarily present any evidence against Thug. Additionally, there is a possibility that Lil Wayne will be summoned as a witness in the trial. Fulton County prosecutors attempted to show videos of the rapper discussing Thug in the courtroom, but Judge Ural Glanville denied their request unless Wayne testified in person. The matter at hand pertains to the shooting incident that occurred in 2015 involving Wayne's tour bus, an incident that the prosecution alleges was orchestrated by Thug. The assertion is made that he enlisted the services of affiliate Pee Wee Roscoe to execute the task. Roscoe, in due course, received a sentence of 10 years in prison and 10 years of probation for his involvement, but his conviction was overturned in 2018. Gunna, the rapper signed to YSL, will not be summoned to provide testimony in the courtroom, unlike Lil Wayne. Gunna had previously agreed to a contentious plea deal in this case, but the judge has now instructed the prosecution to reduce the number of witnesses they intended to interrogate. Initially, the state had presented a list of more than 700 named witnesses, but now only approximately 200 individuals remain eligible to testify in the trial. After the revision of the witness list, both Gunna and Unfunk, Thug's brother who had previously been sentenced to more than 9 years in prison, had their names eliminated. The government's witness list still includes Birdman and YFN Lucci, indicating that they may still be summoned to testify. Accusations have been directed towards Gunna, alleging that he provided information on Young Thug in order to obtain a favorable plea deal. Gunna vehemently denies these claims, while Young Thug has chosen not to address these rumors publicly. After reaching a plea deal, Gunna sought to clarify his stance by firmly stating, "Although I have committed to always speaking the truth, it is important to emphasize that I have not provided any statements, undergone any interviews, cooperated with any parties, agreed to testify or act as a witness for or against anyone involved in the case, and have absolutely no intention of participating in the trial proceedings," he declared in a statement subsequent to his release from confinement. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.